In this demonstration, we're walking through the proper steps for setting up a Ready Containment fuel bladder inside a Ready berm secondary containment system. The video begins with two team members unfolding the Ready berm and laying it into position. Its no loose parts design allows for a fast, efficient setup. Once the berm is ready, the crew places the fuel bladder in the center of the containment area. Often when working with fuels or chemicals, secondary containment is required. This setup ensures a safer, compliant workspace. After positioning the bladder, the team installs the fittings and vents. Each one should be secured tightly to ensure proper operation, prevent leaks, and allow the bladder to fill and vent correctly. Before any product is transferred, a Ready Containment hose bridge is placed over the berm wall to protect the berm from abrasion or damage when routing hoses. Once everything is in place, the bladder is filled, the fittings are closed, and the hose is disconnected. The system is now safely deployed and ready for use. This demonstration showcases how Ready Containment equipment works together to support safe fuel handling and reliable spill prevention.